Hello dear students, Deutschkurs, German Course Buch 2, Book 2. This is our lesson number 6, Lektion Nummer 6, lesson number 6. So in this lesson we will learn about er ist and sie ist. In German we can say er ist, sie ist, but in English he is and she is. So for he is, we say er ist. While for she is, we say sie ist. So let's learn about a little more about these words. In this lesson, you will learn usage of he is and she is in German language. So in German, he is translates to er ist and she is translates to sie ist. For example, er ist Paul, he is Paul. Sie ist Lena, she is Lena. But be careful with sie, with she, okay, in German. If you want to use the informal form of she in German language, for example, when you speak to a friend, you would use sie in writing shape, okay? Sie lowercase means lowercase means this s should be small letter, okay, in small letter instead of z, okay, uppercase. It means that if you are talking or writing to your friend, you can use this z, okay, but if you are talking to you are writing to your parents, your teachers, your grandparents, you must use this kind of z. It means uppercase, okay, the s should be in uppercase, okay, it means in small, in capital letter. So it is worth noting that in German the word sie is not used only for she. But since these are your first lessons, you should now think about what is being taught to you here. Gradually, you will understand everything in German language. So let's learn the usage of he is and she is in German. So look at this picture. Er ist, he is. Er ist mean he is. Er ist means he is. Das ist Paul. We have learned about das ist in previous lesson, okay? Das ist Paul. This is Paul. Er ist ein Junger. He is a boy. Once again, das ist Paul. Er ist ein Junger. He is a boy. Das ist Paul. Er ist ein Junger. Sie ist, she is, okay? Das ist Lena. This is Lena. Sie ist ein Mädchen. She is a girl. Okay, das ist Lena. She is ein Mädchen. Once again, er ist, he is. Das ist Hans. Er ist ein Junge. He is a boy. Okay, das ist Hans. This is Hans. Er ist ein Junge. He is a boy. Das ist Hans. Er ist ein Junge. And now she. Sie ist, she is. Das ist Anna. This is Anna. Sie ist ein Mädchen. She is a girl. I told you in previous lessons that ein Mädchen, you can't say eine Mädchen because Mädchen noun is a neutral noun in German language, okay? Not feminine, okay? With feminine we use eine and with the neutral and masculine we use ein. So, das ist Anna, sie ist ein Mädchen. Mädchen means girl. Das ist Anna, this is Anna, sie ist ein Mädchen. She is a girl. And again, sie ist, she is. Das ist Frau Lee. Das ist Frau Lee. She is Miss Lee. You can say Miss Lee, Madam Lee. Okay, das ist Frau Lee. Sie ist eine Frau. Okay, here you can see eine we are using. So we have lessons in book number 1 and in previous lesson in book number 2 as well about eine and ein. You can check there. Sie ist eine Frau. She is a woman. Sie ist eine Lehrerin. Lehrerin, female teacher. Sie ist eine Lehrerin. She is a teacher. Das ist Frau Lee. Sie ist eine Frau. Sie ist eine Lehrerin. So, this is me, okay, Mr. Lal. Er ist, he is. Das ist Herr Lal. This is Mr. Lal, okay, Herr Mr. in German. Lal. Das ist Herr Lal. This is Mr. Lal. Ist ein Mann. He is a man. Ist ein Lehrer. He is a teacher. So here with female teacher we are using Lehrerin, eine Lehrerin, and with male teacher we are using ein Lehrer. This is difference between German and English, okay? In Lehrer and Lehrerin and as well as in ein and einer. So once again, das ist Herr Lal. Ist ein Mann. Ist ein Lehrer. So be careful. Note, in German, the formal titles Frau, Mrs., Miss, and Herr we use for Mr., are commonly used to address adults, especially in a professional or formal setting. Okay? So now, Übung exercise, fill in the blanks in following pages or following slides. Now look at this. Ist, he is. Okay, definitely he is a boy. So now you can say, fill in the blanks in German. He is Paul. What can you say in German? Write in your notebook. Okay, this is about Übung, your exercise about your notebook. So the first one I will do for you. Ist Paul. Okay, now she is. Sie ist. She is. So you should write in German. She is Anna. You should write in German, okay? Now, again, sie ist, she is. You should write in German, she is Lena. And now, again, sie ist, she is. Fill in the blanks. Das ist Frau Lee. This is Miss Lee. She is a woman. You should fill these blanks in German, okay? She is a teacher. This is your work. And now this one, ist, he is, fill in the blanks. Das ist Herr Lal. This is Mr. Lal. This, he is a man. He is a teacher. So now you should fill these blanks in your notebook in German language. So now vocabulary words, vocabulum. Write these words in your notebook. These words, okay? These are the nouns from book number 1, but it is for your memory and vocabulary. It is very important. Die Hanna, das Bild, die Stecknadel. Stecknadel means this one, this pen, or pin. I'm sorry, the pin, not pen. Okay? Through which we stick some things, papers and notice board. It is called pin in English and Stecknadel in German. And about die, das, die. Okay, we have lesson number, the last lesson of book number 1. Okay, you can check there what is die, das, why we should use these with nouns like die Hanna. Can we say only Hannah in German? Why we put die in front of Hannah? You can check there in book number 1, the last lesson. Das Ende, the end. Danke, thank you, and we will see you in next lesson. Thank you so much.